I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 with 5 players. While the game normally supports 4 survivors, expanding your team to 5 or more requires some special setup. First, you'll need to enable the developer console through your game's options menu. This allows you to input commands. Hosting a local dedicated server is generally the most reliable way to achieve this expanded player count. To enable more than 4 players, you'll need to install essential modifications. Begin by installing Source Mod and Meta Mod, which are fundamental frameworks for server plugins. Next, acquire plugins such as 8 Slots Lobby Fix to manage the increased player capacity. Alternatively, L4D-Tool-Z can also be used for similar functionality. Carefully place all these downloaded files into their correct respective game directories to ensure they function properly. Once your mods are installed, you'll need to configure your server. Open your source mod, CFG file using a text editor. Here, you will add or modify commands like SV-MaxPlayers and SV-VisibleMaxPlayers. Set these values to 5 or higher, depending on your group size. Remember to use the Insecure Launch option for your game when hosting a custom server. This is crucial for it to function correctly. For players beyond the initial 4, they will need to connect directly using your server's IP address and port 27015. Be aware that increasing the player count will naturally heighten the game's difficulty as the AI director adjusts. Close coordination and communication among your larger team are vital for survival. You might also consider adjusting game difficulty settings or using plugins to spawn extra health packs or weapons to balance the challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.